That is why for today's video, what's going on guys? ProjectJohnRey here and welcome back to my channel. Please don't mind the active volcano here. There's a lot of volcanoes there, but there is one that is really active. And please don't mind. First of all, I would love to greet all the November babies a happy birthday. Did you know that November month actually have two types of birthstones? One is citrine and the other one is blue topaz. That is why for today's video, we are going to make a fashion illustration inspired by those two birthstones. I don't want to make my intro get so long, so without any further ado, let's get started.
If you are born in November, you are understanding and empathetic towards others. This makes you great for helping professions or a career in teaching. You love to be around with others. Your creative thinking and intellect will enable you to come up with new ideas to help or teach others. You don't give and achieve your career goals because of your ambition. You always have something new to say. You appreciate little things in life. You are secretive. You have a dynamic personality. You know how to get what you want. You are patient. You are determined. You are tough. You know how to give a good advice. You tend to learn the hard way.
moments later.
So that's it for today's project, guys. I hope that you love our video today. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet and you love fashion illustrations, arts and crafts, and some sort of, please consider subscribe and do not forget to ring the notification bell for yourself to get updated on my next project. Message me either on Facebook or Instagram or wherever you are actually comfortable to use. But one thing is for sure, I'm going to reply with your messages as long as you are nice. So have fun doing your own project and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye!